Another beautiful morning here in South Louisiana. Just want to shout out to all the people in in North Carolina, South Carolina. Please take care. I know how shitty hurricanes are and flooding, and just stay safe. This morning, I'm going to continue working on the loop field focus. I got the panels fit last time. I'm going to try and get everything fitted up so I can weld it up. And before the end of the weekend, I want it welded up, put back together so I can drive it to work. So that's my goal for this weekend. So stick around if you want to watch. So first thing, to invoke some positive energy in this whole deal, I'm gonna scrape all of the auto auction shit off the windows finally. So I'm thinking positive. You set your mind to it, you can do it. So stick around. So there we go, got that off. Pretty much got all that off. I'm just gonna have to take it to go get it washed once I get done. And I noticed that I need new windshield wipers too. Imagine that, from sitting outside for a year plus. So here we go, some more. All right, so I have it fitted, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some sheet metal screws to see if I can suck this up against the existing body. And then once I do that, I can mark where I need to grind down so I can get a good weld, and then we'll go from there. But you know, then I'll tack it into place and keep making sure that the tailgate keeps unlocking. So we'll go from there. So just hang out, and I'm not going to film all this because I'm going to try and get some shit done, but I will take periodic breaks to show you what I've got done so far. So stick around. I have screws in along this extension and in the back there to get this one solid, and then I only put one in the center section right here just so it'll keep it in place. And then I'm moving down here to get this fitted. What I think I am going to do is it's all got to move. This panel's got to move in. So now that I got the other stuff attached, I can beat on it a little bit. So we'll do that and see how it turns out. So here I go again. Working on this back of the loop field focus today. I'm gonna have hopefully a full video of me getting this put together, but as you can see, I'm putting screws in it to try and hold it in place so I can move the metal around now. We're definitely getting close, so keep an eye out for a new video coming out in the next couple days. Thank you. So I got it screwed in with the sheet metal screws right now, and I'm gonna see if I'm close enough to get the tailgate to close, the trunk lid to close, and meet up with the seal. And then I'm going to measure it and compare it to the measurements I took with the other Focus before I traded it in for Elisa's car. So here we go. Not too bright out here, but you can see that it appears that it seals up on this side. And on this side, it seals, and it appears to be sealing along the bottom as well. So it looks like I have got it in the correct place after messing with it for quite a while. So now I just gotta take it back apart, rough it up, and then weld it in. So there you go. It's incredible. Gonna get this thing done. Well, I put the fender cover on just to see how it would look, and as you can tell, I'm having a hard time getting it to sit there with a jack and a jack stand and a mechanic stool. So, but it looks like it's in the general vicinity, and it looks a shitload better than it did when I started. So we're gonna take it back apart, sand it down, or at least sand it down where I need to weld so I get a good clean weld, and we'll go from there. here we go. All right, I seem to have everything in place. I'm gonna try and hit a couple of these right now, and then it's gotten to be about 96 degrees out, so I'm gonna cut it off for today and get back at it tomorrow. But it is a good feeling knowing that I got it in position. I tried the other plate on, it fits. So we're just gonna start tacking this sucker in and see how it turns out. So wish me luck, and here we go. One. Gonna do one more, and then we're gonna shut her down so I don't have a heat stroke. Two. All right. Thanks everybody. I'm going to put this out today so that you can see what I'm actually making progress on. And then tomorrow, hopefully I'll finish. I'll do it like a slow-mo, or not a slow-mo, but a time-lapse. Get all this welded in, and hopefully have enough time to take it for a ride tomorrow. So thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, like, and appreciate it all. Thank you. That's fucking hotter than piss. That's fucking hot. Might not be the prettiest, but it's gonna work.